Is it possible to find profitable dropshipping products for TikTok Shop in under 10 minutes? I actually put myself through a challenge where I put a timer on and see how many products I can find in under 10 minutes using a TikTok Shop spy tool called Kalo Data. Spoiler alert, it didn't go as well as I expected. If you're new here, my name is Victor. I help small e-commerce brands elevate their message through video content. Check the description. I've recently opened one-to-one applications for working individually. I'll left a link in the description. We're going to put a timer on the screen. I'm going to rationalize everything that I'm doing, and we're also going to reflect onto whether the challenge went well or didn't go well, what we learned, and so forth. I'm going to be going back and forth between this Google Sheets document, which took me about 2 seconds to create, and of course Kalo Data, which is the tool that we are going to be using to find these products. I've left a link to Kalo Data in the description. Be using the Mexico version. You can get the professional tier capability for free. I think they're doing it for a limited time, again as the celebration because they've launched in Mexico. Get the timer started and we are off. I'm just going to go into the home page just so we can kind of start fresh. This is what you're going to see once you sign up and log in. Going onto the Explore tab, we've got top products, top creators, shops, video ads, live streams. What I like about Kalo Data again is it is targeted towards TikTok Shop. I'm going to go into top products. There's this wavy talk thingy in Spanish, by the way, as well, but I have got Google Chrome to translate. 1.5-inch thermal brush. Let me see. I'm not niche specific here. Perhaps in a future challenge I might come at a specific niche. This looks promising. I'm going to look at the last 30 days to see how it's performed. It's not a seasonal product. It works in any season, which is good. We can see that the commission rates for affiliate is 8%. The price that they're selling it for is around $46, which is okay. In the last 30 days, it's generated $309,000 in revenue, which is pretty solid. We can see how many items are sold, average unit price, and where these products are selling the most, like the channel that's able to sell and move the most of these units. We can see that it's videos as opposed to live. Live only generated 3K, whereas videos generated the vast majority of the revenue that came in. So if you're a shop, really good information there to allow you to decide your strategy for promoting these products. So what I'm going to do is just copy this link here, paste it there instead of name. Category, we don't need to put that in. We've looked at how it's been doing over time, how much revenue it's created, how much commission affiliates are making. We're now going to close this off and see what else we can start selling. We don't want something that is selling a ton of units but is going to make us barely any profit. Let's look at Zesty Nutrition and see how it's done over time. So okay, so cost 200 credits, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not gonna look at that. All I'm interested in for now is the information about price. $18. Yeah, okay. And we can see here the revenue, 24K over the last 7 days. Not bad. 20% commission for affiliates, and the lowest price that it's gone down to is $15.51. So that's really key as well, because it tells you when you're doing sales, offers, and so forth, roughly where you can average your price, because your price is not always going to stay the same. That looks okay to me. The last 30 days, it's generated around 162. It is one of the top products. Not overly convinced with this one, to be honest. Even though it is one of the top ones, that's a hard pass. Let's go on to more. That's going to show a list view of products doing well. We've looked at that. We want something where we are, oh Lord, 518. That is a pretty high price there. Let's just out of interest, I want to see what this is about. Let's translate it. Moisturizing cream with blah, 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 deep hydration. GZWee. That is a pretty high price. I'm not confident I can move that. Okay, let's look at Gummy Life. Gummies tend to do very well. I'm looking at these graphs. Ideally, I want my graph to be steady or going up. If it's going down, I don't want that. Let's see if we can, there we go. So that's what we want. If we look at this one here, the price is not great. I like the graph, but I'm not convinced with the price. What's this here? Let's have a look. Okay, I am running out of time. So, okay, so this is a set of 3 green eagle beak nail clippers. Everyone uses those. Everything looks great. The graph is going up, so interest is going up. Over the last 30 days, it's only generated 3K, but we can see interest is starting. So there is potential to move some units. We're going to copy that and paste it as our second product. Just untidy for now. I can always come back and clean this up, but for now my aim is to get as many products as I can in there, and my OCD is going all over the place. It's untidy. I want it to be tidy. Right, okay, close that down and see what else we can find. Let's go on to page 2. Maybe we'll have more luck there, because I want something that's got a relatively decent price. You know, I don't want to just choose something that's selling a lot but it's not going to make me a lot of profit. Dental stuff tends to do well. The last 30 days though, let's have a look. Okay, looks like interest is just starting. We don't have a lot of data to validate that it's, going to be doing well over time. That's what I don't like. Okay, so this one might have some information for us. I don't like the price though. Let's look at this one here. Okay, oh, bras. Okay, so yeah, adjustable strap bra, blah, 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 blah. All right, so the last 30 days, it's not generated a lot of revenue. Interest is going up now according to the graph, but I can't work with 1K. Is this the last 30 days we're looking at? Let's go back and see if there's impact. What's this about here? Okay. Okay, I like the price. I like the commission rate. This is only for the last 7 days, but it's only already generated 47K. Last 30 days, 160. I like that. So let's do that. I'm going to just go on faith on this one. It's going up and down as well. So it's kind of like it's not declining entirely. So let us go there and go back and see what else we can find. Yeah, I'm getting a bit desperate here now because of the time. Okay, so this is okay. Like what I see, last 7 days, 29K, pretty decent amount of units sold. Video revenue is 26K as well. That's good. And I like video revenue because a lot of affiliates out there prefer to do videos and do live. So that means it's potentially going to be that much easier for you to negotiate with people to promote the products via video. If it's showing that it's generating a lot of revenue via video, a positive indicator. It's not been okay. You know what? We'll go for it because this has got some promise there. It's not entirely just dying off. So let us copy that as well. 4 products so far. Let me have a look at the one that's really expensive. This one here. Okay. It's coming down. There was a peak period and then it just completely went boom. It just died out. I just close these out. Check out these high selling products. So it looks like a lot of people in Mexico seem to be spending money on the cheaper stuff. Again, whether it's to do with, currency, the economic situation, I'm not entirely sure. And that's not a bad thing, but I'm just observing that the prices of the products that are selling the most are the cheaper ones. 570, not ideal, but it has made a lot of money in the last 30 days. I can see its video revenue that represents the majority. Is that 565? No, that's 565. Interest is there, but I'm not entirely confident with this one, to be honest. For me to have a look at later on, I'm going to copy it and place it on there. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have 5 products found in 10 minutes. Boom. Let's reflect on how the challenge went. Can you find reliable, potentially profitable products in 10 minutes or under? Yes, but you need more time looking at more proof, testing the product to then be able to be 100% confident that it's definitely going to be profitable for you as well. In reality, you'd most likely end up spending longer than what I've spent in this video, but we know that it's possible to find a ton of different products that can be tested out within a span of around 20 to 30 minutes, which in the bigger scheme of things and considering the potential income that you're going to get from this is not a lot of time, considering the potential headaches missed and the money not wasted because of this little time taken. How did we do? The documenting, I'm not too happy with it. We could have done better. I could have prepared a template that I would then jump straight in and populate rather than a very minimal template. That's my lesson going forward. If you'd like me to create a video where I walk you through creating a template that is a really good way to track potential products that you're going to be selling, let me know. I can do that. I will make it available in the description for you to download. In terms of the area I was looking at, Mexico, the reason why I'm mentioning that is don't be discouraged because a lot of the products that I was finding weren't selling for much. As I mentioned in the video, again, it seems to be mostly to do with the location that the prices are that low. If we were to look at the United Kingdom, for example, where I'm based, or the USA, the prices would be higher. And the reason why I'm saying that is if you're a seller, if you're an affiliate, that raises how much money you could potentially make. Even with that being the case, if I was in Mexico and in the economy, I would probably appreciate the prices. Anyway, I think there is a huge opportunity to start drop shipping those products and selling them. Some prices were really high, like the $518 product. That was really strange. But yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments. Now, in terms of Kalo Data as a tool, is it user-friendly? Was it easy to navigate and find these products? Yes, the more you use this tool, the more you'd be able to quickly get through that process every time you go in and use it. Was the challenge a success? Can you find drop shipping products that are profitable and proven in under 10 minutes? I leave the answer to you. In my opinion, I would say yes, but you would need to spend a little bit more time after you've found the product to research further and get additional proof. You need to be prepared beforehand. So you'd need to have these templates to track products. You'd need to have some kind of rationale that you've already prepared in terms of what you're looking for. Obviously, you would need your niche. In reality, you would know what niche you're potentially interested in. Me going into this challenge, I was just taking the broad approach and just seeing what products are available. But in a real life situation, you would know that health and fitness, electronics, games, cooking, whatever niche you're into. Again, that doesn't go against the time element. Whatever niche you're in, you'd be able to find products. Probably wouldn't be as many as these in 10 minutes, but you'd still find find some decent products thanks to sites like Kelodata. This video, by the way, is not sponsored by Kelodata. The link in the description, it is an affiliate link, and it does help support this channel if you do choose to sign up using that link. What challenge should I do next? What tool should I try next? And what topic should I try next? Let me know in the comments. And if one comment gets a lot of interest, I will strongly consider doing that as one of my next videos. And once again, I've recently, if you watched up until this, I've made over 1K in profit as a TikTok Shop affiliate and over 4 figures as well. If you'd like to work with me one-to-one basis, there's a link in the description. There's only limited spots because it's genuinely me that you'd be working with. I'm not one of those gurus. So yeah, applying, we might be able to get there. In addition to that, if you are an e-commerce brand looking to elevate your message through video ads, check out my video creation agency linked in the description. I'd love to be able to see if I'd be able to help you and take that off your hands or not. I'll see you there.